Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Dr. Sid model and current firmware so you know which fixes apply. Once done, plug it in and charge above 50%, then connect to your home Wi-Fi to allow updates. Make sure to back up settings and any logged sleep data to the companion app or cloud before changing anything, because you will restore or reset later. Now open the app, sign in, and move to the diagnostic screen to run the initial connectivity and sensor self-check. You will install the latest firmware through the app. Updates often resolve sensor drift and sleep scoring errors. While updating, keep the device powered and on Wi-Fi. Once the firmware is applied, run the automatic sensor calibration routine and follow on-screen prompts to place the device on a flat surface. After calibration, resync your account to push corrected parameters and clear the app cache if data seems stale. These mid-step actions align device measurements with expected baselines for accurate sleep detection. You finish by running a 2-night validation test, observing whether sleep staging and metrics match how you feel. If results improve, keep calibrated settings. If not, perform a factory reset as a last resort and restore your backup. Make sure to note timestamps and attach diagnostic logs before contacting support, because logs show sensor events and errors. If support can't help, request a replacement under warranty. A key troubleshooting tip: if readings jump wildly, check for electromagnetic interference and move the device at least 1 meter away from large electronics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.